In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Drive link to share files, upload and share photo and video from Google Drive. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. This is your Google Drive home, where all your folders and files live. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account so the files end up in the right place. Next, choose a folder where you want your photos or videos to live. If you don't have one yet, create a new folder to keep things organized. Using a dedicated folder makes sharing simpler because one link can cover everything inside it, and you can manage permissions for the folder as a whole. Once you're inside that folder, click the New button. This opens the upload options. Select File Upload. Your computer's file picker will appear, so browse to the photos and videos you want to share, select them and confirm. You'll see upload progress in the lower right corner. Wait for it to finish to ensure your files are fully available in Drive. After the upload completes, select the items you want to share. Click one file to highlight it, then press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select all the items in the folder. If you only want to share specific files, hold Ctrl or Command while clicking to pick just those. Selecting exactly what you intend to share keeps your link clean and focused. With your files selected, click the Share button. This opens the sharing window. In this window, look for the section labeled General Access. You might also see a section for adding specific people, but for a link that anyone can open, we'll work with General Access. Change the access from restricted to anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who has the link to view the files without signing in. For most cases, Viewer is the safest choice because it prevents others from editing or deleting your content. Always double check this setting so you're sharing only what you intend, especially with personal or sensitive files. Now click Copy Link. The link is copied to your clipboard, ready to paste into an email, message or post. This single link will open the selected content for anyone you share it with. Finally, click Done to close the sharing window. Your link remains active and you can share it anytime. If you ever want to stop access later, return to the same sharing settings and switch General Access back to restricted. That's it. Upload, select, share, copy the link, and you're done. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.